What is going on, friends and fellow artists? This is Matt, aka Mr.E in 3D. And guys, in today's video, we are going to be completing our project where we have been recreating X-Men's Nightcrawler in my character art style. Now, if you have been following along, this is video 4 of the series. I have videos 1 through 3 out on my channel. Feel free to go check them out. But in today's video, we are going to be doing the posing and the printing of the character. This project was a ton of fun, but I will be the first to tell you, this part especially was probably the most challenging. Nightcrawler is a very acrobatic and dynamic character, and I really wanted to showcase that in the final product. So getting his legs bent and positioned the way that I want him took a lot of work. I did eventually get it. I'm very, very happy with the end result. He is printing right now. I can't wait to see what he looks like. But for now, here is a time lapse of that process. I hope you guys enjoy. Let's go. right, guys, there you go. Nightcrawler is complete. He has been posed, he has been printed, I have actually primed him and also painted him. And the end result, I am super happy with. So here he is, all printed up and painted. Found this super cool red resin for his base. And as always, when I print a smaller version, I also print a larger version. And I actually sized his stand to sit perfectly on top of these little touch lights. I might not be able to see it too clearly on the video, but I am super happy with him. Now, I have been asked before, Matt, why do you go through the process of creating these characters in a T-pose position and then going through this process of posing them? Why not simply create the model in the pose that you want if you're just going to be 3D printing them? And the reality is, I may not just be 3D printing them down the road. I may eventually decide to animate them. I may decide to do something different. I may decide that at some point I want to do an entire team build. And maybe I'm going to have the entire X-Men team on one statue base. And maybe I decide I want Nightcrawler in a different pose on that. The reality is I have that option, creating him the way that I did and going through the process that I did. Yeah, it's a little bit more time consuming, and yes, it's very tedious. But the reality is I now have a character that I can do multiple projects with in the future if I decide to. Guys, thank you so much for the support that I'm seeing. As always, please like, share, subscribe, comment below if you have a character in pop culture you'd like to see me build out in this style. This project was a ton of fun and I will definitely be doing it again. Thank you guys so much for following along. Have a great day.